In Austin, a city known for its vibrant culture and diverse neighborhoods, maintaining your home's appeal and functionality is essential, especially when considering a future sale. While many homeowners focus on obvious areas like kitchen renovations or landscaping, one often overlooked space is the garage. A garage clean-out, however, can be a surprisingly effective way to increase your home's value, enhance curb appeal, and even improve daily living. Here's how a garage clean-out in Austin can benefit your home in more ways than you might expect. Maximize your home's storage potential. One of the first things potential buyers look for is ample storage space. A cluttered, disorganized garage may give the impression that your home lacks enough room for everyday items or seasonal gear. By clearing out accumulated junk and organizing the space, you can reveal hidden potential. Imagine a garage with neatly arranged shelves, hooks for bikes, and even space for a car. This creates a sense of organization and functionality, which buyers find incredibly appealing. In Austin, where outdoor activities like hiking, biking, and boating are popular, a clean and organized garage can become a versatile storage space for sporting equipment, tools, and seasonal items. This added storage capability can be a big selling point, especially in a competitive market where buyers are looking for homes that can accommodate their active lifestyles. Improve curb appeal. First impressions are crucial when selling a home, and your garage is one of the first features potential buyers will see. A cluttered, messy garage can detract from the overall curb appeal, making your home appear less well-maintained or even neglected. A clean, tidy garage not only improves the appearance of your property but also reflects well on the care and attention you've given the rest of your home. Austin's real estate market can be competitive, and even small details like a neat garage can make a big difference. A well-maintained garage can be a subtle yet significant factor in persuading buyers to consider your home over others. Reveal hidden space for new uses. When your garage is cluttered, you might overlook the potential of the space. After a garage clean-out, you might find that there's enough room to repurpose the area for different uses. For example, with Austin's trendy, creative vibe, many homeowners choose to transform their garages into functional spaces like home offices, workshops, or even small studios. These flexible spaces are a desirable feature for homebuyers who are looking for ways to make the most of every square foot. A well-organized garage might also reveal the opportunity to add extra storage solutions like cabinets or shelving, making it even more functional. By showcasing how adaptable your garage space is, you allow potential buyers to envision its many possibilities, which can drive up the home's overall value. Prevent hidden damage and maintenance issues. Over time, neglecting garage organization can lead to hidden damage that can be costly to repair. Items left in disarray may cause wear and tear to walls, floors, and even the structural integrity of your garage. When you clear out clutter and perform a clean-out, it gives you the opportunity to spot any potential issues, such as leaks, mold, or pest infestations, that could affect the value of your home. By addressing these issues before they become major problems, you ensure that your garage and home are in the best possible condition for sale. Create a positive, inviting atmosphere. A clean garage is more than just a storage space, it's an extension of your home. When you take the time to tidy up the area, it helps create a more inviting and positive atmosphere for anyone who enters. A clean, decluttered garage allows buyers to focus on the important features of your home without being distracted by a cluttered mess. Additionally, having a well-organized garage helps demonstrate that you take pride in maintaining every aspect of your home. Increase the home's overall appeal in Austin's market. In Austin, where home values continue to rise, standing out in a crowded market is key. Buyers in this area are often looking for homes that are not only functional but also stylish and well-maintained. By cleaning out your garage, you demonstrate that your home is both practical and thoughtfully cared for, qualities that are sure to attract attention. In addition, homes in Austin are typically priced based on a variety of factors, including usable space. A well-maintained garage can increase the perceived square footage of your home, making it seem larger and more valuable. Conclusion: a garage clean-out might seem like a small task, but it can have a significant impact on the value of your home in Austin. From enhancing storage options to improving curb appeal and even preventing costly maintenance issues, clearing out your garage offers multiple benefits. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to improve your home's functionality, taking the time to tidy up this often overlooked space will go a long way toward increasing both the value and appeal of your property. So, if you're ready to make a smart investment in your home, consider starting with a garage clean-out. Your future self and potential buyers will thank you.